Emma drags her suitcase through the new apartment building, tired from traveling. The hallway smells of fresh paint, and everything feels strangely quiet. She opens her brand new mailbox. Inside, one small folded white note. Emma. That's weird. I don't even know anyone here yet. She looks around. No footsteps. No neighbors. Just silence. Emma unfolds the note carefully. Handwritten words appear in shaky, uneven ink. Do not trust the elevator. She lets out a confused laugh. Emma. Seriously? Is this supposed to scare me? Behind her, the elevator makes a metallic clang. As if something hit the inside. Emma freezes. Despite the note, Emma presses the elevator button. The doors open empty, still, unusually cold inside. She hesitates. Emma. It's just an elevator, right? She steps in. The doors close too fast, almost snapping shut. The elevator begins moving on its own. Not up. Not down. Just moving. Emma returns home after a long day of work. She stops in front of the elevator, remembering the warning note. She sighs. Emma. Okay, no elevators tonight. She turns to take the stairs. But something catches her eye. Inside the elevator corner lies a small blue envelope. Emma. What is that? Emma picks up the envelope and slowly opens it. Inside is a photograph. It shows the hallway of her building, but from a high angle, as if taken from the ventilation shaft above. Emma. Who took this? And from where? She flips the photo over. On the back, written in thin shaky letters. 2214, don't be alone. Emma checks her phone. It's 2150. Emma. No. Nope. Not staying near that elevator. She rushes into her apartment, locks the door, and sits on the floor holding the envelope tightly. The building becomes unusually quiet. Too quiet. The clock ticks. Before we finish, here are the keywords you learned today. Unfold. To open or spread something that was folded. Trust. To believe someone is honest or reliable. Hesitate. To stop briefly because you are unsure or afraid. Metallic clang. A sharp, loud sound made by metal hitting metal. Empty. Containing nothing inside. Silence. Complete quiet with no sound. Unusually. In a way that is not normal or expected. Voice echo. A voice that repeats because it bounces off walls. Envelope. A flat paper cover used to send letters. High angle. A view from above, looking down. Ventilation shaft. A narrow passage where air moves through a building. Flip over. To turn something to the other side. Shaky letters. Handwriting that looks unstable or trembling. Unusual. Not common or normal. Echo. A sound that repeats after bouncing off surfaces. Metallic sound. Any noise made by metal objects hitting or moving. Countdown. Numbers said in reverse order leading to a final moment. Now subscribe to continue the story and learn new words in every episode.